The quantum computing world just hit a massive breakthrough that solves the industry's biggest scalability headache. For years, qubits were glued in place, but researchers at Delft University of Technology have finally taught them how to move. This revolutionary study published in Nature reveals a technique called conveyor mode shuttling. Scientists are now using coordinated electrical fields to physically shuttle electron spin qubits across a silicon chip. Coordinated voltages create a moving wave that carries electrons trapped in microscopic quantum dots to different parts of the processor. This allows them to interact freely rather than just talking to their immediate neighbors. The precision of this movement is truly staggering for the tech world. The team successfully executed 2-qubit logic operations with a fidelity rate of more than 99% during their testing. Another massive win for the Delft team was achieving quantum state teleportation. They transferred information between two distant electrons with an impressive 87% success rate using entangled pairs. The most important detail is that these moving qubits are manufactured entirely from silicon. This means they can be produced using the same industrial processes that create today's computer and smartphone chips. Mobile qubits solve the connectivity crisis that has haunted quantum developers for a decade. It eliminates the need for the messy and complex wiring that usually clutters up large-scale quantum processors. This breakthrough allows for much larger and more flexible processor designs. Engineers can now move qubits exactly where they are needed to perform calculations without any physical gridlock on the chip. Experts believe conveyor mode shuttling will become the standard feature for the next generation of semiconductor quantum processors. This provides a clear blueprint for industrial-scale quantum computing. We are officially moving away from experimental laboratory curiosities toward practical hardware. This innovation fits perfectly into the manufacturing infrastructure we already use for modern electronics. The ability to shuttle qubits represents a fundamental shift in quantum architecture. It makes the dream of a large-scale fault-tolerant quantum computer much more attainable in the near future. These mobile qubits could soon power revolutionary advances in fields like drug discovery and climate modeling. By overcoming physical limits, we are unlocking a new era of problem solving. The Delft University of Technology and QTech team have proven that diversity in qubit movement is a massive strength. This design is the key to building the most powerful computers on Earth. As we look toward the 2030s, this silicon-based approach will likely dominate the market. It combines the weird laws of quantum mechanics with the reliability of modern manufacturing. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.